Welcome back to Ta-da 3D Printing. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because it is finally time for me to say goodbye to my MMU3s. I was planning to list them on a couple of Facebook groups as well as Facebook Marketplace, but before I do that, I wanted to offer them to my subscribers first, as well as explain the reasons why I am moving away from the MMU3. I have 3 of them available, and the very first one that I put together was for the MK3S, and rather than splitting it off of the printer, I'm going to offer it with the printer. I also did the upgrade from the S to the S Plus where it pertained to the MMU3, and I documented the whole process so you can see everything from me unboxing it, putting it together, as well as the couple of upgrade things that I did as well. It's a great printer and it has worked well for me, but I'm really moving away from the MK3Ss. I've completely gotten rid of my other ones, so I'm trying to kind of streamline how many different slicers I'm using. I've seen this combination going for around $550, so feel free to send me an offer. I am only looking to ship it within the US. The second option for my MMU3 is the one that includes the MK4 printer. And again, I don't really want to split it off. I made, the adjustments to the printer for the MMU3, so I really feel like it would be best to sell it all together. This one I used a lot more because I really liked how streamlined it was. I liked the little bit newer screen on the MK4 printer rather than the MK3. It's the same MMU for the most part, just a little different cable adjustment. But I really liked this one for the MK4, but both of these I found that we were not using. And that's just completely on us. The overall size just took up so much space. Even after I made the change on the MK4 to mount the buffer above, it seemed like it still took up a lot of space. And I have 2 other girls that work with me, and they really had a hard time loading and swapping out filament on them. So a lot of times these ones were the last ones that we started printing with, and I just eventually decided that I didn't have the space for them. I've seen this combination going online for about $1,150, so that's about what I'm looking for in the offer. And then the last one is an MMU3 for an MK4 that's still in the box. I actually purchased 2, and I never put together the second one. This is the kit that you will have to put together, and new from Prusa, they run $2.99 plus tax plus shipping, so that's about what I'm looking for. The box has not been opened. I actually originally purchased even more of the MMU3s, but after I'd gone through the first couple of them, I canceled the order of the other ones. And I really like this setup. I really wanted it to work for me, but for the most part, it's just the space that's not working. And if I am the only one that can use it, my other 2 girls can't, then it's not efficient for me in the long run. If you're interested in any of these, feel free to email me. And feel free to comment and tell me what you think about the MMU3s. I've gotten a lot of great response from people. I think it is a very efficient machine. I really liked how little filament waste I had. And I'm kind of sad that I have to let these go, honestly, but that's where I'm at, and I really want to be upfront with you guys about my process with 3D printing. So feel free to let me know what you think of all of this. Thanks for watching.